what is the question the interview people have asked. Okay. Okay. So can anyone say what is this program and what is the question? You see the question, and this was some company asked in some company in the interview.
Reversing a statement, ma'am. A sentence.
Reversing the sentence. That's all. That's all.
Counter.
Count.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್? Okay, well, I'll give you 2 minutes. Can anyone explain this program? Yes, this was some interview question. Can you please, can anyone explain this program? Yes, can anyone?
Ma'am, it reverses each words, ma'am, not the whole sentences.
Huh?
It splits the sentence into 4 words. Then for individual words, I think it reverses.
Okay. That's all? Fine. Half you have told. Another thing? Something else is also there. You can just check each line.
And concatenate it.
Yeah, that's it. So most of you just told reverse. So you can see before print statement of the reverse, there is a concatenation. Concatenation adding. Okay, so can anyone explain each line of this code? Can anybody please?
Can I explain, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Starting, we take a string variable in which it's called Lycha team. In there, we store that whole sentence, ma'am.
Okay.
Then we take another array of string called words, where we split that string. Whenever we encounter an empty space, we split it and put it into an array.
Okay.
That is what that means.
Okay.
Then we take another string called reverse, which is an empty string.
Okay.
Just to hold value. Okay. Then we enter a for loop, ma'am.
Okay.
Is initialized to 0, and we count the length of words.
Okay.
Every word.
Okay.
The second for loop, we are using 2 for loop because one for loop will be for reversing the individual words.
Okay.
Second for loop is for concatenating it also.
Okay.
So that is why we use 2.
Okay.
And inside the second for loop, that reverse logic is normal, ma'am. Like
Okay.
a equals to a plus, like that.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. That's and last after the outside of for loop, we'll just print the reverse.
Okay. Concatenation you left.
Yeah.
Concatenation line.
Yeah, ma'am. It happens like.
Okay. Okay. What is this word I and character at J is doing?
Ma'am, we are taking each word. Like, since we are splitting the sentence into words, ma'am.
Okay.
We are taking the array value of that word. Like the array character at 0 of word 1 will be L.
Okay.
Character of word 1 of 1 is E, like that.
Very good. Good. Any doubts? Any doubts in this program? Anybody? Raman is here. Raman is there or is not there? Any doubt in this program?
Ma'am, can you explain once again, ma'am?
You want me to explain once again? Okay, this program, what the interview people have told is they have to take one sentence. I think sentence means we'll be knowing. Sentence means there may be so many words. Okay, so here the sentence I have taken it as this is a company called, you can just browse in the company, it is a software company, Leica, where this company is having projects, major projects are on medical projects. Medical projects, I think you'll be knowing what is mm, inside the body cells, scanning machines. We use so many things, right? So for that, they are developing projects for medical projects in this company. Okay, so I just gave you brief description about the company. Okay, next what they've asked is they have to take anybody who is facing the interview. They've given this question saying that they have to take a sentence. In that sentence, first they have to split the sentences into words. Then after that, they have to reverse and count each word, whatever in the word they have, each one they have to count. And finally, they have to concatenate and display. So here in this case, the sentence what they have taken is Leica apps team members. So this is a first sentence where they have stored in a variable called as a Leica team. This is one variable. You can take any variable. That just because this was given by that company, so they have taken the string. Because if I say string, then everything should the data type is string. And when we say string, it should be it should be in the two apostrophe colons. Two things, inverted commas. So that is what string. So then what is the second line is doing is we are creating an array. So and what is the array name we have taken? We have taken it as a words. In that words, what it is being done is, so this Leica team, we are taking that and split that. What we are doing, whatever the sentence is there, no, we start splitting that Leica one word, app one word, team one word, member one word. So when it should split, when there is a gap, space, and store it in the array. If what array? Words array. Then we are using one more variable called as a reverse, variable reverse. That's it. And we are starting with one more for loop. So what we are doing, start from I equals to 0, and each word you keep moving it till whatever the length of that word, and increment that. So if you have done with one word, move to the second word, move to the third word, move to the fourth word. Like that, we keep going. So what we are doing inside second for loop is in each word. Now take Leica. So how many characters are there in Leica? L, E, I, C, A. There is 5. In app, how many are there? 4. In team, in members, so that each one it is there. So in that case, what we are doing here, take one word, go till the end. Then increment J means, till where it has to go, till it reaches the index 0, then decrement. Then, so what we are doing, store it. Whenever you are reversing, store that. Where? Word. What is the first word? And in that first word, what is the first character? So now if I say Leica is first word. So in this Leica, what is L, that we are taking it in a J.
First character.
So J will start from, yes, first character. So L it will take, then E it will take, I it will take, C it will take, A it will take. Like that it keeps taking. So then after that, again we want to display this back. Yes, so for that we are using a concatenation. And finally display. The reverse of that complete sentence. We have to, what we have done, taken one complete sentence, broken into small pieces, then reverse it, then concatenate, then display completely the sentence. Understood this program? Okay, let us see.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Character at
Yeah.
is there, ma'am.
Yes.
Character at.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
by that, ma'am?
At which locations we want? It is just one more character. See, now I want E, L, E, I, C, A, right? So at what positions I have? Yes, So J, we should keep moving on, right? Once if I say L, then I have to go for E, then I have to go for I, then I have to go for C, then I have to go for A. So like this, we have to keep going, right? So index keeps changing. So just for that, we are using character at which position. So if I complete word, first word, I'll go for the second. Yes or no? In second, the word here, word will be 2. But J, it keeps changing. So for Lika, we have how many? 5 characters. In app, how many we have? In app, how many we have? Only 4.
4 characters.
Yes? Yes, both are 2 different words. Getting? Both are 2 different words. The index will be same. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Again 0, 1, 2, 3. Getting? For that reason we are using. Okay. Let me see whether this program is executing or not. That is okay, because here in this case, what it is doing, it is not taking public. This W3 school Java online, they have mentioned it, the class default will be public. So they don't want specifically to declare. Is it right? The reverse of a string, reverse of a sentence. Getting what you people are asking? You would have done in your
Yes,
general programs, reverse of a string. String means only one word you would have taken. Yes, but here what they have told is, in that interview, not word, sentence. You take sentence, reverse the sentence. Yes, getting? Here in this program, they have told, take a sentence, reverse the sentence. Yes? You want to copy, or shall we move on to the next one? Anybody want to copy? Yeah, it's better to copy. Because this was asked in a company, in one of the interview.
Ma'am, we'll take screenshot and share, ma'am.
It's okay, sir. One time you write, better if you write once, because you'll remember. Taking screenshots, you will not remember. That's all. I agree that you'll take screenshot, that is option is there. But whenever you are placing any interviews, you have to be in a position. So if you write once, you can remember easily. Okay, it's better to take. Just 5 minutes I'll give you, please take.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the split function ಅಲ್ಲ ma'am, single characters ನ reverse ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ma'am?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್
ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಹಲೋ, ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ನನಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಹಾ, ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಆಕೃತ್. ಹಾ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಹಾ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
ಹಾ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಹಲೋ,
ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲಿಖಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, LECA ಆತರ
ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್. ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಟ್ರೈಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ. ಬಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೈ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ, ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೀನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಲಿಖಾನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀನ್ ನಿಲ್ಸು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಲಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 0 ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್. or let us see what you are asking. Split function, split Java split for a word. Correct allappa, nin question ide alva. For a word into letters.
Yes, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಕೃತ್? ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಈ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ನೀನು ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ನ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅವಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, copied. Shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on to the next? Anybody has to respond to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that program we have done, this was which you people have identified. Okay, next program. It is similar to that program. So also same program. Yeah. So different ways, that's it. The same program, what they have written is in different ways. Got it? The same program with different ways. Yeah, can anyone say what is this? What they've just changed? They've just changed this original, your original. Then everything is same. Anything is different here? Reverse each word in a sentence. Yeah. So what's the difference here? Can anybody say what is the difference here? Yeah, what's the difference between last program and this program? Concatenate is not added. Then still there is a lot of difference in that program and this sorry.
The whole sentence will be reversed, ma'am.
Yeah. Whole sentence is reversed. Sorry, I have to remove this public. Yeah. So what we have done here? What's the difference between the last logic and this logic? Can anyone say? The same logic, right? Same
Ma'am,
problem.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Someone was saying something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What's the difference between last program and this program? Problem is same.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಯಾವುದು?
ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅರೇಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಕ್ಯಾಟಿನೇಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಫೈನ್. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ತರ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಈಗ ಅಕೃತ್ ಒಂಥರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಪನೀಂದ್ರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ತರ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರಮನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ತರ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೂ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೂ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಒಬ್ರು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೇ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ಡ್. ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್? Yes, is there any other option where we can use here? What are the methods we have used? We have just used length and character. Two built-in functions we have used. There we have used maybe more than 4 or 5 built-in functions: split, length, character, concatenate. We have used more than 4 or 5 in the last program. Whereas in this program, only 2 built-in functions. But the output is same. For both the programs, the output is same. Question is also same. Getting?
Ma'am, there is another question, ma'am, like reversing only the even words, even placed words.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, can anyone try that? Try that. Someone gave you the problem. 5 minutes time. Try and give me the value. What was the question you told? A reverse.
Even word, like starting BMS, it will be reversed, ma'am. Sorry, it won't be reversed. Second word will be reversed, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I understood. So now we have two words here, BMSIT, MCA, and you have to reverse only even number, even words, right? There are in whatever sentence you have, in that even words, 2, 4, 6 words should be reversed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That you please try. You people try. Yeah, what we have to do? 5 minutes. Let me give you time. Think. Try. Can anybody share who have written? Let me stop. Yeah, who have done the program, what he told? Can anybody? Yeah, what we have to add? In the same program, I think we have to little bit modify.
We have to change for loop, I think.
Change only for loop or condition?
Should be +2, ma'am.
+2. So what he is saying, this one we want to take, you will take this program or the previous one?
First one, ma'am.
This only, right? Yeah, first one. Okay, you want me to share? Let me share. What he's saying is, in the for loop, he's saying to increment what Samir, you were saying something. Here you want to increment or here?
I, ma'am.
I equals to I plus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
But ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ okay, let me see. Let us try. Why not your this one? ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಲಿಕಾ ಬಂತು, ಟೀಮ್ ಬಂತು. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲಿಕಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್. ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ 1 3 ಬಂತು. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಂತು. No. Anybody else? We got 1 3, that is odd numbers we were able to reverse, but not even numbers. I equals to I plus 2 he told, right? When we have given I plus 2, what we were able to reverse? We were able to reverse only
1 and 3, ma'am.
1 and 3 words we were able to reverse. That is odd numbers. Odd words we were able to reverse. But what is his question is, we want to reverse it a even numbers. Even numbers in reverse ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Ma'am, the whole string should be printed or not, ma'am?
Whole?
Like, how the output should be, ma'am?
He want that even numbers to be reversed.
Like example,
Lika app team members ali, he wants only app reverse, member reverse, right? No man.
Yes, ma'am.
But here what we are getting only odd numbers reverse, right? The display, what is right now the output display is, it is odd numbers it is displaying, but he wants even number reverse and display, right?
Ma'am, I is equal to 1, ma'am. Put I is equal to 1 for condition.
ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. I equals to I plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ma'am. int I is equal to 1, ma'am. Just
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
Then it will skip the word only, no, ma'am.
It will skip the word.
Ma'am,
Okay.
inside the second four, if should be used, ma'am.
Yes. If should be used. Yeah, what condition we have to give?
If I mod 2 equals to 1.
You are saying here within second for loop or first for loop?
Second, ma'am.
And we have two for loops here. Yeah, two brackets. Or I gave one more extra, I think. If I mod 2 equal to 0 or 1?
1, ma'am.
1. Then reverse, huh? I don't think so this may work out. Let us see.
Incrementation you don't change, ma'am. I.
Oh, I didn't change here. It didn't print anything. Okay, this is also not working. What changes we have done? Last time it was working, right? Oh, here there is a mistake. Yeah, but here what we are doing is we were able to print odd numbers, but why not even numbers?
Can
When
I
we
tell the
get
answer, ma'am?
2, yes.
Ma'am, actually, his approach is correct, if statement, but the condition was wrong, ma'am. Before the second for loop, we have to write a condition like if I modulo 2, ma'am. Like, no,
Here, before
yeah, yes, ma'am. If I modulo 2,
if I
modulo
modulo
2
2
equals 0,
equals 0.
close it, ma'am. This, no, no, even if this is not there, no problem. Yeah, okay. Put a flower bracket and close it till that concatenate, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. And close it till the reverse. No, below that, ma'am. Next statement. Yes, ma'am. Now here else.
Again, one more.
Yes, ma'am. Else. Rev equals ref plus word.
Reverse equals
Reverse plus word of I.
reverse plus
Word of I.
word of I.
Yes, ma'am. And we didn't close the flower bracket, ma'am. Else.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, we take the array, no, ma'am. So we can take the array of I value and tell whether even word or odd.
Words we have taken. Yes.
Words of I.
ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
I have got here, ma'am, on my screen.
You want this last to be printed or you don't want to print?
No, that should print, ma'am.
Then it is printing complete sentence. You want complete sentence to be, then that only, yeah, space is not there. First, it is reversing only the odd numbers, not even numbers, even words. And there is no space between. How come there you are getting and not here? It should work same, right? Yes? Yes, Akrut? See, when we have not used your logic and we have just changed only this one and we have incremented, that is I plus 2, it was working the same logic what you have given, right? But there even numbers, it was printing, it was taking only first and third here. Same logic, why can't we take for app and member? Plus and your logic is this one, reverse else let us right now let it be commented. It is printing again first word and the third word, not even.
Yes, ma'am, we got.
Their logic we have to, because we have started with 0, no? So we got it here. App signed members. If I remove else, I'm just checking what is happening. Earlier I didn't consider else part, right? So if I consider else part, it is printing complete, but there is no space, and it is reversing only what you told, even numbers. App and members are reversed. Getting? You have to just give slash n here. But here we are completely reversing, means appending all the words and reversing only even words, 2 and 4. Yes, Akrut?
Ma'am.
Okay. Good. Answer to your attendance today is 11:9. Anaka?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhilash?
Ma'am.
Akhil?
Ma'am.
Akrut,
Yes, ma'am.
Anusha,
Yes,
Anusha,
ma'am.
Arvind, Arifullah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, last 2 classes you were absent, sir. Arifullah, sir. Vinaka,
Present, ma'am.
Banu Prakash, Banu Prakash, Bhargav,
Yes, ma'am.
Haimatullah,
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra,
Present, ma'am.
Chandana,
Placement.
Charan, Charan, Darshan,
On placement.
placement.
Pawan present, ma'am.
We didn't go till Pavan. Harshit, Diksha,
Present, ma'am.
Dakshayani,
Present, ma'am.
Kishan,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit, Harshit,
Placements, ma'am.
Hemlata, Hemalata,
Present, ma'am.
Uma,
Present, ma'am.
Uma, Jayant, Divya,
Yes, ma'am.
Kaushik,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi,
Ma'am, Mike Kishan, ma'am.
Mike.
Present.
Lavanya,
Present, ma'am.
Manish, Manish, Manoj, Manoj, Mohit, Naval.
Ma'am, he went to placement.
Yes, ma'am.
Who? Manoj or Mohit?
Mohit, ma'am.
Naval, Navya,
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil,
Present, ma'am.
Panindra,
Present, ma'am.
Pavan,
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja,
Placements, ma'am.
Purnima,
Yes, ma'am.
Raman, Raman, Rashmi.
Present, ma'am.
Last 2 classes you were absent, Rashmi. Rupak, Sai Kumar, Samir,
Present, ma'am.
Santosh,
Present, ma'am.
Sadap,
Present, ma'am.
Sharan,
Present, ma'am.
Shashank,
Present, ma'am.
Sheetal,
Present, ma'am.
Shivani,
Present, ma'am.
Soumya,
Present, ma'am.
Spurti,
Present, ma'am.
Sri Vishnu,
Present, ma'am.
Sugandhini,
Present, ma'am.
Sushma,
Present, ma'am.
Sushmita,
Present, ma'am.
Sushmita, you,
Present, ma'am.
Tirtha,
Present, ma'am.
Trupti,
Present, ma'am.
Varsha, Varsha, Veena.
Present, ma'am.
Someone has put in the chat box. Who's that? Jayanta. Jayant.
Ma'am, Huma present, ma'am.
Yeah, Huma marked. Yeah, fine. 5 more minutes I'll give you just to copy the program. So you can copy once, comment it, and other time you don't comment it. Copy complete program, then try with commenting and without commenting. Yes, please. 5 minutes time I'll give you just to copy the program. Then we'll wind up, because if we take one more program, it will not. We don't have time. Dakshayani is here. Dakshayani. Fourth hour Shivkumar sir will be taking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can just inform. In case if sir forgets, you just inform him.
Yes, ma'am. Over, ma'am.
Okay. Let others also take. We'll wait for 1 or 2, 3 minutes. Then we'll stop. Yes, Akrut, fine. Let others also, please let them take. Because we have time. And I can't start one more program. Or one thing we can do here. Quiz we have already taken. A small program let us take and we'll stop. You have to say me what is this program is. I'll just make it into one line, that's it. So that it should be readable. Complete program barli anta, I am just changing, that's it. I think now complete program you can see. Yeah, what this program is doing. Guess what this program is doing? There is a problem. 1, 2.
We have not closed the
one
class.
more class. The class is where was the class closed? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, can anyone explain this program? What this program is? What is the question? What maybe they would have asked in the interview about this question? There are two methods here. One is test and another one is test 2. What is difference in test and test 2? What's the difference in test and test 2? Yeah, can anyone explain what is difference in test and test 2? In test method, it is just an ordinary method where we have not used static. And in test 2, it is a method with a static. That method is a static method. And test 2 is again called in a class A, using a class, creating an object A and calling this test 2 there. So then printing the same case, print first test method, then test 2 method. So what this program is basically it is for using a static, and we need to know how the execution of the program starts. So that's what you can see, the main starts here and it will come here, the program print. So that's what here program starts is printing. Then you're calling a.test2. So a.test2 will go for this method. Then here we are printing test2 method. So test2 method is printed. Then value of I. So what is the value of I within the static test2 method? 20. So 20 is displayed. Then what we are doing, we are creating one more object A1 and calling the class A. So this it is going here and we are calling a1.test. This test we are calling here. So when we call this test, so it will come here, it will first print test method. So test method is printed. Again within that method, we are calling test2 method. So test2 method, it will go to this method. Then test2 method is displayed. Then system.out.i20. This I20, this print statement is first executed. Then it will come out of this. Then it is printing again this line. That's the reason there is a two methods here, I20 and I10. So what it shows here is the scope of I. So how is the scope of the I? So you can see here, if this I is here 20 within this method, whereas even though you call this method here, once you come out of that method, the I value is getting changed. So that's a major work of static and showing you the difference between a scope of the variable. What is a scope? So that's a work of this program. Yeah, if you want, you can copy. 2 minutes we have. So after 2 minutes, we'll stop. We will stop here and we'll continue in the next class. It's time up. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.